Protect your dashboard with style. Your car's dashboard is more than just a functional component. It's a reflection of your vehicle's style and sophistication. But with constant exposure to sunlight and UV rays, your dashboard can fade, crack, and lose its allure over time. Introducing our premium dashboard covers, designed to protect and enhance the look of your dashboard. Available in a variety of colors and patterns, our covers not only shield your dashboard from sun damage but also add a touch of personalization to your car's interior. Protect your investment and elevate your driving experience with our stylish dashboard covers. Visit our website or contact us today to find the perfect dashboard cover for your car.